Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change app icon on Phantom Wallet app. The default Phantom Wallet app icon will be shown as this. If you want to change that to something else, simply open up the Phantom application on your mobile device. Now tap on the account drop-down at the top left corner, and from your Accounts tab, click on the gear button at the top right. Once you do that, you will then open up the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, go to Preferences and tap on it. Now from the Preferences tab, click on App Icon. You will then be able to see a list of app icons that you can choose from. Choose your preferred app icon, and then once you do that, you can get back to the home screen and see that you have successfully changed your app icon for Phantom Wallet app. You can go ahead and explore around with other app icon options and change your app icon whenever you prefer. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.